Good afternoon, students. So, today we have learned the new topic of EVS, and the name of the lesson is On the Move. Now, what we are going to learn in this lesson, we will just read and we will see. So, today we are going to learn in this lesson about different types of transport. Now, which transports we are going to see, we will see that. Modes of transport. Now there are three types of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Now why do we need transport? Whichever it might be, land, water, or air, why do we need them? We need them to travel means हमें यहाँ वहाँ घूमने जाना पड़ता है, इसीलिए हम लोग modes of transport यूज़ करते हैं. We want to travel to our villages, to our towns, or in other places. That's why we use transport. So there are three types of transport. Now we will learn about each transport in detail. Modes of transport. Land. Now what is the meaning of land transport? Land transport means the transport which moves on land. Now here we can see the picture of train and truck. The train also moves on land, but the train do not use road. It uses railway tracks. And this trains, they stop on the railway stations. There are different types of trains. They are like diesel trains and electric trains. Diesel trains means which run on diesels. And see here how the train is running, and we can see some smoke coming out. So this train is diesel train. And there are other trains also which move on electricity means we can see the wire on the trains when we travel by train. That means they are traveling on electricity, they travel on light. So trains move on railway tracks, and trains have the railway stops. And truck moves on road. Now you all know what is road. अभी आपको तो road पता ही होगा what is the meaning of road. So on road who travels? Different types of buses, cars, auto rickshaw, they move on road. Now there is car for public transport, which is called as taxi. It is called as taxi. So train, truck, these two pictures we can see here, they move on the road. Now there are more examples which travel on road. This is car and bus. Now there are different types of car, and also there are many types of different buses. So cars and buses are faster modes of land transport, means they do not waste our time. They can take us from one place to another place within short time. Mode of transport. Land. Bicycle, bullock carts are slower mode of transport. They also are the part of land transport, but they are slow मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ये हमें कहीं भी जाना होगा तो हमको क्या होगा, लेट होगा जाने के लिए. ये बहुत स्लो है बिकॉज इट डू नॉट मूव ऑन पेट्रोल और डीजल. इट मूव्स बाय द एनर्जी ऑफ द ह्यूमन्स. हम जितनी ताकत लगाएंगे उस हिसाब से ये चलेंगे. सो इट इज़ द स्लो मोड ऑफ transport. Now there are some more examples of land transport. Auto rickshaw and motorcycle both move on land, both can move on the road. Now modes of transport. Water. Now first we have seen the transport which move only on road. Now we are going to see the transport which moves on water. Ships and boats are means of water transport. They take people and things from one place to another. Water transport helps us to travel across rivers, lakes, and oceans. And in this ship, we can see that there are goods loaded in the ship, means heavy goods can be taken from one place to another in the ship. Now boat is the small type of a water transport in which we can sit, and with the help of that boat we can go from one corner of the river to the other corner of the river. And big ships are there, and you have seen a big ship in which we can see hotels and gym, everything is there in that. It is called as cruise. It is called as cruise. So this ship and boat, it is traveling only in water. It is the mode of transport which travels only on water. Now, mode of transport: air. Movement of people, animals and things from one place to another through air is called air transport. Now, when we are traveling by aeroplane or helicopter, we travel in the air. Air means we travel in the sky. So anything which is moving in the sky, that is the aeroplane or helicopter, even if we are traveling in them or we are not traveling or we are just sending our goods in that, it is called as air transport. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. Now, air transport is the very fast mode of transport. We can travel within few hours or few minutes from one place to another. So if children, you are traveling by car from Mumbai to Pune, you will at least take 3 to 4 hours. You will at least take 3 to 4 hours to travel, because you might be in some traffic jam or anything it will be. But air transport, it is the fastest way of transport. If you are traveling by aeroplane from Mumbai to Pune, you will reach within half an hour. Within half an hour you can reach, or within 15 to 20 minutes you will reach from Mumbai to Pune, because in the air there is no traffic jams. So air transport is the fastest mode of transport. Now, what are the different reasons to travel? What are our different reasons to travel? Now, we use transport to go to school. We go by bus. To buy things, we sometimes use a cycle, or we use a scooty or bikes, anything it will be. So there are different reasons to travel. So first is to go to school, and the second is to buy things. Also, when we go to a doctor, we need a ambulance to go to the doctor. If we are very ill, that time only we need ambulance. But if we are having fever or cold, that time our parents take us on scooty or in the car to the hospital. But if any accident is there on the road, the person who has met with an accident, he is always taken in a ambulance to the hospital. To visit new places, when we want to go to the picnic, that time can we go walking? No, we cannot go walking in the picnic. That's why we have to take one help from the transport, whether it is road transport, air transport, or it is water transport. To go to parks, when we want to go to garden, or when we want to go to meet our relatives, our grandmother, grandfather who lives very far in the village, that time also we need transport to go from one village to other village, or to go in the garden also. Now, transport which carry heavy loads. See here, you can see there are different types of vehicles which carry heavy loads for us. Trains also carry heavy loads in them, such as taking the stones, or taking some big wires. And you can see this blue color big trailer is there. That truck is called as trailer. In that trailer, mostly the big vehicles, motorbikes are taken. And above here we can see the JCB and truck. In that JCB and truck, big goods are loaded, big boxes are loaded in the truck. So these are the vehicles which carry heavy loads for us. Public transport which help us every day. Now, which is the public transport which help us every day? Here you can see that garbage van is there. In your surrounding area also, the garbage van comes every day to collect the garbage from you. So green color is the garbage van, red color is the fire engine van. Wherever there is an fire caused, the fire engines come and they can help the people to put out the